Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye, and we are the TheRcSaylors. This is going to be a lot of fun because we've just really been loving these little micro FPV drones, and I think this is probably one of the best ones out there. This is the Blade Inductrix FPV Plus. Now, I didn't know this until I did a little research on it, but what makes this different from the last Blade Inductrix FPV that we had on the channel is it's a little bigger, has more powerful motors, and it's a lot more capable of doing more things. But the big thing that a lot of people know about is Meow Mode. I think it makes a little meow noise when you try to flip it over, but if it gets flipped upside down, it's got a button on the transmitter, a little trigger, and you click it and it flips it back over.
That's so cool.
It's amazing. And I'm really excited because hopefully I won't have to chase Abby around as much now when she flies FPV. Also, this has altitude hold and the included little 5.8 gigahertz FPV monitor has a DVR built in, whereas I think the other one did not. I'm pretty sure it did not.
And this doesn't just have altitude mode. You can go all the way up to the agility mode or acro mode. So
kind of like, I don't know how acrobatic it'll be.
And then it has the mid mode too.
Yes, so like flying like normal without altitude hold.
Yeah.
Abby has found that she loves altitude hold with these micro drones.
For inside.
Makes a big difference for her.
For outside, I wouldn't be in altitude
She can fly air mode on a race trip.
Yeah.
Outside.
But inside, I struggle.
Yeah, so this is really cool for her. So we only have one battery because this is brand new, just came in the mail for us. The included little battery is a one cell 3.7 volt 500 milliamp 25C discharge battery.
And it does have the chip clip phone holder. Thank you, Horizon Hobby.
But it's not a phone holder. It's not.
Oh, I mean, it's a chip clip to hold the
it works really well. It just holds your
method's where it's at.
Included monitor, made by Spectrum, so it's really nice.
Cool.
And you can bind this up to your Spectrum transmitter, just so you know, if you want a full-size transmitter. Has a little included USB charger with a nice indicator on there. And this can mount to the transmitter, but we're not going to do that. I actually like to watch while she flies with her goggles, and a little charger for the monitor. That's pretty much everything that comes with it in the instruction manual, which does a really good job. So hold on to that. That's a really nice little instruction manual. But because we only have one battery for this right now, because it's new to us, we're going to let Abby fly in this video.
Cool.
I fully expect to do another video later, I don't know when, but definitely sometime, where I try the other modes. But I'm hoping, I kind of want her to crash once at least to try the Meow Mode. And this should be a lot of fun. So
okay, so the transmitter goes on first.
Yeah. There we go. Boom. Abby changed her color to purple. It's very easy. You push both sticks up. What are you doing, Popeye? He's like, wait, there's a drone. There's a drone. What's going on?
Yeah, changing the color is really easy. You just push the sticks up and it'll beep, and then you just pick the color you want by going right and left, and then you drop both sticks back down. Easy.
Yes.
So I have purple now.
I'm gonna watch, switch, yeah, blue. Okay, now go back down to green. So yeah, green. So you're gonna try altitude hold, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna watch for a second on here, but then I will chase you and help with that whole Meow Mode.
So this trigger is to start the motors, and it also accesses Meow Mode. So
are you filming on your Fat Shark?
Should be.
If not, we'll film on the little DVR.
Filming.
Yeah, okay, cool. So we got them both.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
So you get some.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna grab the little monitor and chase you around. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh, I hear, sounds like you're already down. Drone down? Okay, let me see.
Where am I? I went into like a crazy spiral mode. I think I'm downstairs.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Hang on. Oh, I hear it. Okay, hold on.
Where did I go?
Popeye help me find you.
He said Popeye help.
No.
That I spun off the wall. It ricocheted me into the living room. That is crazy.
Good to take off.
Alright, I'm good. Oh, there's Popeye.
You were okay.
Try this again. Popeye makes it hard to fly sometimes. So So now I gotta get it to flip upside down. So let's hit the wall!
Okay, was that your crash?
That was my crash. Flip me upside down.
I'm gonna, hang on, I gotta get Popeye. I wanna get Pops.
Alright, let's try Meow Mode.
Okay. Keep trying. Oh, now you're up against the wall. There you go.
So I got it.
Yeah.
Alright, Meow Mode.
Go.
Alright. We're flying.
Oh.
I'm in the kitchen. Alright, Meow Mode.
Keep going. There you go.
It works better on harder surfaces, I think.
See.
Alright, let's get out of the kitchen. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Alright, sorry. So this is supposed to be altitude hold mode, but it's still a little harder than most to control. Oh, but I forgot.
Okay, my turn to fly.
I forgot to, when you start this up, it's in the higher mode, and I forgot to drop it down to the lower mode. So that was probably part of my trouble.
Okay.
But I think Nathan's gonna master this one, and I think he's gonna love it.
My turn. I'm just gonna fly with the goggles. And the Meow Mode is pretty cool, but it's like our carpet texture is the perfect spongy texture to keep it rolling.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go from altitude hold to non-altitude hold.
So the middle mode?
Yeah, and I'm gonna actually go.
Hold on, let's not have Popeye on the table.
Oh, I know. Here you go, buddy. Okay.
He's such a good dog.
I'm gonna fly this, and I'm excited.
You're flying purple.
I fired you. Oh yeah, I gotta start the motors. I like that. Okay, that was good. I do want to try that altitude hold, so I'm just gonna kick it in it. I want you to tell me, does the light go green while I'm flying? Can I go altitude hold?
Okay, yeah, it's
Did
green.
it go green?
Yeah, I went green, then back to purple, because that's the color we chose.
Yeah, okay, cool.
How do you think?
I don't feel like it's kind of altitude hold.
No.
But I know it's there. Like it's kicking into it right there. I can tell. And then I want to see, those are low rates.
But let go of your throttle.
Man.
Let go of your throttle. And
I will.
I
will. What's going on? So I let go of my throttle and it stayed there.
Yeah, I guess.
So there's altitude
Okay,
hold.
turn off your motors.
Oh, can I meow mode?
Yeah, you can meow mode.
Here we go. Oh,
there,
nice. Yeah. I'm going to regular mode.
Take off. Okay.
Yeah, I could tell there's definitely altitude hold there, but
it's not normal altitude hold that we're used to.
You're not flying a GPS drone here.
Right, I guess so, yeah.
Okay, now I'm really excited to try the non-auto level mode. So I'm basically in like, oh man,
my
whoa.
Gosh.
Wow.
Are you upside down? You're just crooked.
Look, Popeye got me.
Get him.
I'm not ready for that. I need a bigger outdoor space. Hey buddy, he liked the lens.
That's right. I want to fly this outside more than. Hold on. You want me to fix you?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. You're better at taking off than what I.
Well, I'm not in that altitude hold mode either.
Okay.
I don't think. I'm in the blue, the middle mode, which is just like the regular. This is pretty much the Blade Inductrix FPV, but better.
It's all about that meow mode, I think.
Yeah, I like having that for me. Like, I feel like I can just. Let's just try to crash here. Okay, and then meow mode. What? Come on, meow mode. I'm upside down. There we go. Woo!
Did it do it? First
Yeah,
try?
it was awesome.
Oh, no, you're upside up.
Oh no. Okay, here we go.
You're right, like kind of under the couch to go forward.
Yeah.
Now go up.
Okay, cool. See, like, you don't have to go chase this down.
Yeah,
I feel
really
like, yeah, the altitude hold is okay. It's not, maybe not the greatest. But that little auto flip thing is sweet. So I can just fly around up here. Are you watching?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
watching.
cool. Now, I can't remember if I'm in the high rate or the low rate. So let's click the right stick and I feel like I'm in a higher rate now. Feels like faster.
No.
Oh yeah, that's faster.
Oh my gosh. See, that's
Whoopsie-daisy.
what I was in. So here, let me
Where
fly.
am I now? Whoa.
Popeye.
That's Popeye. Yeah, look at that.
Here, let me try now. Put it down. And now let me try and put it in the lower mode. Click
Okay,
it right.
I don't know if you'll be able to take off. It got kind of messed up. I crashed
Have you
really
clicked the
hard.
right stick yet? It's still in the high mode.
I think it's still in the high mode. try. I might have to go help you. Yeah, you're stuck under the lip of the... I'll go get you. You're stuck under that lip.
So now I have it in the low mode, lower rate mode. This should be better for me. Oh yeah. This is way better. I completely forgot to take it off that higher mode. Which is good that it has the different rates, the different speed levels. So you can constantly like level up with this. And I'm not good at talking and flying. I love seeing Nathan and Popeye though while I fly. It's so fun. And like to chase them. That's what he's wanting. He wants me to chase them. Oh man. Oh, there's the window. Alright, we're upside down. Oh, first try. I don't know if I can take off though. There we go. Clean takeoff. That was awesome. Oh, he's laughing. I don't know if you guys can hear Nathan. That's so fun. That is so fun. He says, go down. Sometimes that becomes a wind tunnel down there.
You know, oh, okay.
It becomes a wind tunnel
Yeah,
right through
it's
there.
hard to fly down.
Yeah.
So, are you in the non-altitude hold now?
No, I'm in altitude.
Okay. Did you try it without altitude hold?
No, I haven't. I will right now.
Okay. You're in it now?
Yeah.
I think you might like that more.
Maybe.
It
Maybe I'll have more control.
It feels more natural.
Okay. Oh. Watch out!
There is so much light on this now because of hitting the ceilings. I love Meow Mode. Oh, where did you crash?
I'm in the kitchen, I'm fine.
Popeye and I will get you.
Popeye was too slow. I don't know, this one's a little more challenging to fly and I can definitely tell that it's a lot more sensitive. Let's get Nathan. I missed. He's laughing.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This thing...
They can't hear you!
This thing is a flying tank.
I can tell that it's harder to fly on that middle mode, for sure.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay then, so altitude hold is working. It is covered in paint and like... Oh man. Our fireplace ashes just went everywhere. I'm sitting by you, by the way, so don't crash. She crashed.
Okay, we recovered without Popeye getting
Nice. Woo! Chasing you, like
You're not even supposed to be chasing me. What are
I don't
you
even
doing?
need a gym membership, you know?
Just have me fly FPV all day.
Yeah, so when you're in the lower rates, the red light on the transmitter blinks. And so she clicked in the lower rates and it's blinking. So we have an indicator to let us know.
I think my battery just died.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
We're done. Battery died.
Okay.
Cool. That was fun.
And I want to show you guys, I know this is going to be super blurry. Okay, super blurry. Here, well, let's just fix it. I want you guys to see this. I know it's all dark, but check that out. Look at all of these white marks all over this. Look, there's like white here, there's white here, white up here, white here. Yes, this thing is built way tougher.
That's good enough.
No, good enough. This thing is way tougher than the first one. I can just tell, like you feel it.
It's way more durable.
And watching Abby, like, and I did it too, flying full speed ahead.
It just comes off.
And just like.
It's not scratched.
Crashing into.
That was just stucco, by the way.
I know that.
It wiped right off.
But I'm just saying, like, this one picked up more white than any other drone we've ever had. I think we felt more confident with this one and we were flying like full speed with it and just, I'm telling you, banging into the wall and the ceiling and stuff. Just like that.
I tried to hit you a couple times.
And you did a couple times too.
Good job, Popeye.
This one's really tough. It's, I think, more beginner friendly than the standard Blade Inductrix FPV. And we're absolutely going to be buying more batteries for this. This is a blast.
You did so good. He's wore out.
Yeah, I am too.
I feel like like the battery
chasing you.
lasted longer too.
It was a very healthy battery life. We're gonna have to buy some more, yeah. So we'll have this linked in the description box below. I have no reason to hate on this. It's very nice. And start by using the included monitor. I think I set it down somewhere. I was chasing you. I gotta find it. Start by using the included monitor, but I think that if you fly, I would start, if you've never flown FPV before, fly the drone 5 or 6 times full battery lengths without the FPV at all to get a feel for how the drone likes to fly, and then start using your monitor so you can just kind of see that there's no delay and stuff. Then when you really get into it, start picking up maybe some goggles.
Yeah.
You know, you got expensive stuff like what Abby's flying on, $60 goggles here. You know, there's a lot of variety, a lot of options out there.
It's a really awesome setup, and that was our first experience with the Meow Mode.
It's awesome. I would call it Popeye Mode.
At first it wasn't working, but then toward the end it was working really well, so that was pretty cool.
It's interesting. Yeah, I think the texture that it's on is a
Plays
big factor.
role, yeah.
Because all it's doing is kicking over at a certain, like, power.
And when it wasn't working, it was just
flipping
doing the
back
whole
over.
roll, yeah.
Yes. And so it just kind of depends on like how it's laying, what the texture is. But it worked.
I liked it.
That was awesome. Even if it just saves you one less time of running to get after it each charge, that's awesome. I really like this. We'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.